Discover Sydney's Secret Bars, an episode of series, The Top 20 Things to Do in Sydney. Courtesy of Uncle Ming's Bar. Sydney's nightlife has gone through a dramatic evolution over the past decade. In 2014, controversial lockout laws were introduced to combat alcohol-fueled violence in the city centre. These laws meant patrons couldn't enter venues in certain areas after 1:30 a.m. or buy alcoholic drinks after 3 a.m. The NSW state government recently announced the lockout laws will be rolled back in January 2020. In the meantime, quirky small bars have popped up, replacing larger clubs and live music venues. To get your night started, hit up Employees Only, which comes complete with a tarot reader and a party atmosphere, or Shady Pines Saloon for a laid-back, Wild West vibe. If you're craving a late-night snack, Uncle Ming serves dumplings and Japanese whiskey, and Old Mate's Place has got you covered with cocktails, shareable plates, and rooftop views.